Smooth passes to the professor. 5 to shoot. Shakes off the strong D and gets to the bucket for 2. He has number 30. Here's prime time. Soft touch off the glass. And the pass to the professor. Takes the turnaround J. No good. So passes it to Mr. Moves. With the shot.
And he's been doing his invisible man impersonation here, hasn't he?
Pass to the professor. 1:02 left in the third quarter. The jump hook. And that one's good. The professor's got 30. Fires from deep. Gets it to go. Mr. Moves got 33 points. Passes to Mr. Moves. Number 30. Connects from three-point range. He has 5. Here's the professor.
And this sort of awesome dunk is one of the reasons this team is in charge of this game right now.
Clark, there is a swagger out here on the court that they possess and are not afraid to show it either.
That's right.
Those are phenomenal dunks to watch. So much fun.
Here's Red Hot. And he lobs it up toward the rim. Takes it out of pass and dunks it down.
And the lead just grows on that ridiculous offensive sequence.
You know, Clark, that dunk alone would have been spectacular. Never mind it coming at the end of an alley-oop.
Yeah, that just added more to it.
Yeah, what a beautiful connection on that play.
It's off the clock here in the fourth. Here's Mr. Clutch, and right on target with the swish. Mr. Clutch has got 5 points in the quarter.
I think
just to Mr. Moves. And again, it's a Pentagon 3.
The D has gotten a little lax defending the three-point.
Jordy, defended by Guzman. Pass to the professor. Backs in. And the shot counts. He's fouled, and it's a chance for a three-point play.
His footwork in the low post is tremendous, almost ballerina-like.
Here's Mr. Moves. The basket drops, and he gets fouled on the shot. One free throw coming his way.
he's been working some magic out there today, guys. This lead has been largely his making.
From 18 feet away, it goes straight through with the swish. He passes to Guzman. Here's Mr. Moves. From out on the wing, he knocks it down. Mr. Moves got 46 points. Here's baddest one. Hangs in midair and converts on the double clutch later.
Yeah, he's just embarrassed.
For the 3. Gets it to go.
Well, with a dead-eye shooter like him, it takes more than that. Not an easy task stopping that fella when he's headed to the bucket like that. Good job.
Pass to the professor. To tie it up. He takes it up and lays it in. He passes to Mr. Moves. Nice defense from the professor. The professor to take the lead, and he sinks the layup. They got on this roll a while ago, and they just haven't looked back. Passes it to Guzman. Here's the lob to the hoop.
Incredible timing on the alley-oop.
He absolutely hammered it down.
And that's the play we're going to remember when this game is all said and done.
Here's Red Hot. Cans it from downtown. it's a three-point path. Backing down. And foul called as he misses. He'll go to the line and shoot two. Captain clutch. And so he's picked up his final foul. And he will sit for the rest of this game. That's tipped. And here's the fast break. And there's the whistle. Fouled hard on the shot. He'll go to the line.
He's made an effort to
pass to Mr. Clutch. And out of bounds is Smith. They're on a 9-1 run right now. Here's Champ. Count that one. Champ's got 4 points this quarter.
They haven't been as aggressive from outside as they were in the first.
We've got 1:55 left in the fourth quarter. Here's Shorty. Pass to the professor. Backing down. And he uses the glass on the layup. The professor's got 47 points.
He's taking it upon himself to get them back into this game.
Out of bounds, Madrid takes possession.
Boy, did they ever make a mess out of that one. A terrible turnover.
Smooth as silk on the finger roll. Tries to save it. And they're pushing it up. There's the pass to Mr. Clutch. Here's Smooth. Passes it to Mr. Clutch. Cool hands. He passes to the professor. And here we go. From 10 feet out, that one a little long.
He had a defender draped all over him. Not really the best shot.
Not the shot you hope for when it's well contested.
Out of bounds, Madrid takes possession. Here's Shorty. .51 seconds left in the fourth quarter. And Champ gets the whistle that time. That'll be his second foul of the game. On defense, Panathinaikos, the biggest lead of the game, 15 points.
You know, I thought they did a decent job during the first half of limiting turnovers, but since halftime, it's been a different story. Boy, their defense making an impact here late, Kevin.
And straight off the steal, Clark, a perfectly run fast break ends in a slam dunk. Cool hands passes to Short. From downtown, it's rebounded by Mr. Moves.
Great job of staying tight on him.
Fishes it down to finish the break.
They're getting that lead way up there now. It should be a stroll to the final whistle from here.
Yeah.
Passes it to Cool Hands. That's good. And Panathinaikos with the possession. 6-point lead. And now we've got... So it's Panathinaikos picking up the win. They came, they saw, they conquered.
Hey, Kevin, to me, any win is a good win.
Well, it's time to say so long. For Clark Kellogg, Steve Kerr, and Doris Burke, this is Kevin Harlan, along with our 2K Sports crew, thanking you for tuning in.